150 degrees above zero, or an operating mode of minus 50 degrees. Our factory's high-pressure rubber hose. Our factory's products can be fully adapted and can be adapted to all your requirements. Today, I will take you through our factory's products. Check out the quality and see the quality of our factory. All the bosses in procurement know that the scale of an enterprise determines its production capacity. The scale of an enterprise determines its production capacity. The experience of an enterprise determines its reliability. Then the accuracy of our production equipment determines its quality. The accuracy of the production equipment determines the quality of this high-pressure rubber hose. Many bosses in procurement should know that. There are still many cheap high-pressure rubber hoses on the market now, and 90% of them come from some small workshops. They all come from some small workshops. They have no quality inspection, unstable rubber delivery period. Their scale is not large, and the rubber delivery period is unstable. There is no quality inspection, and after problems occur, after-sales service cannot be guaranteed. Penn and Snowpeak LTD, Penn, as of now, has been deeply engaged in the high-pressure rubber hose industry for 15 years. Moreover, our current daily output has reached 80,000 meters. The daily output has reached 80,000 meters. All products in our factory have reliable quality, follow standards, and have guaranteed quality. All products in our factory come with a 2-year warranty. Therefore, our factory will never have any quality problems. Our quality will never have any problems. All the bosses who do procurement. If you are also looking for high-quality, high-pressure rubber hoses, be sure to come to the host's live stream. The host is taking everyone on an in-depth exploration of our factory, taking a closer look at what makes our factory special. Our factory was established in 2011. Up to now, we have been deeply engaged in the high-pressure rubber hose industry for 15 years. 15 years of dedicated effort. To all the family members still lingering outside the live room. If you are also looking for high-quality, high-pressure rubber hoses, or if you are also looking for a source factory of high-quality, high-pressure rubber hoses with stable delivery time, stable quality, and stable after-sales service, be sure to come to the host's live room. Our factory, up to now, has been deeply engaged in the industry for 15 years. Our factory has always been adhering to the international standards, exquisite craftsmanship, and meticulous production for the same quality products. Our factory is a large integrated industrial and trade enterprise with the whole process integrated. A large industrial and trade integrated factory. We don't have any middlemen, without any middlemen, for the high-pressure rubber hose of the same quality. Our price is more reasonable, and the price of our factory is more realistic. For all the families who are still lingering outside the live stream room. If you are also looking for a high-quality, high-pressure rubber hose, hydraulic oil pipe, you must come to the host's live stream room. Be sure to come to the host's live stream room. The host is now taking everyone to deeply understand our factory and learn about our one-stop hydraulic factory. See the strength of our factory. See the scale of our factory. Up to now, our factory, the first phase of 2 workshops, was established in 2011. Some people might say the first phase of the old workshop in our factory is already 15 years old now. So are the production equipment inside all old and outdated? Here, let me tell you, when our second phase new factory was being prepared, the production equipment of our second phase new factory are all from the top of the industry. In the same year, the production equipment of our old workshop in phase 1 was also all updated and iterated, completely updated and iterated. All production equipment is directly from one of the top equipment manufacturers in our industry. Whether it's the old workshop in phase 1 or the production workshop in phase 2, our production equipment is the same. They are all high-precision production equipment because our factory deeply knows that the accuracy of the equipment depends on the stability of the quality. It determines the stability of the quality. Many bosses don't
What you translated is. What about the mobile phone translation?
Yes, let me check.
It's right here.
If there are frequent quality issues, 90% of the time, it's because the equipment lacks the necessary precision or the vulcanization is incomplete. This includes the angle of steel wire winding, as well as the uneven distribution of steel wire winding. 90% of the problems are due to equipment issues. Currently on the market, there are many cheap high-pressure rubber hoses, which are usually produced by small workshops. They have no inspection and no after-sales service. After their products have after-sales issues. Our after-sales issues are also not guaranteed. Precisely because of these small devices, their production capacity and scale are not large, and their production equipment is outdated. Therefore, their quality cannot be guaranteed to be stable. Handan City Sinopulse Rubber Roller Co., Ltd. Our factory's production equipment are all directly from top equipment manufacturers in the industry. And our factory's production equipment, each high-precision production equipment, is equipped with a high-precision computer, which can accurately control the speed, and real-time control the temperature of the rubber, as well as the vulcanization performance. So that the angle of steel wire winding, the adjustment of tension, including the density of vulcanization, and the density of the forming of our rubber hoses, can improve the wear resistance, aging resistance, and oil resistance of our products, as well as a significant improvement in anti-aging properties, achieving a substantial enhancement. This will extend the service life of our rubber hoses far beyond those products from small workshops, further prolonging their service life. Precisely because the higher the accuracy of our equipment, the more stable our product quality becomes. Our product quality will be more stable.
Is it in the correct orientation now?
It's reversed. I was wondering why it looks so... For those of you who are still lingering outside the live stream room,
What are you doing?
after you open it,
It looks like this.
Then just go live.
oh,
It's 90 degrees now.
Right.
look at yours. It's quite bright, isn't it? You can't see it in real life, but it's quite bright when you look at it.
Don't you think it's dark?
It's not bright.
Not bright. That's adjusted. Then why is it dark?
What is adjusted?
The light is not bright.
Is it not clear?
Well, it's okay. This hose.
Is okay.
Well,
Welcome to all the family members who just entered the live stream. The host is currently in Handan City, Hebei Province.
Little red lips.
The Feixiang Economic Development Zone, Handan City, Hebei Province. The Feixiang Economic Development Zone. Our factory is a source factory of high-pressure rubber hoses and hydraulic oil pipes. Of hydraulic and high-pressure rubber hoses and hydraulic oil pipes. In today's live stream, I will take you on an in-depth tour of our factory scale, show you around our facility, and give you an insight into the quality of our products, so you can see for yourself. Our factory was established in 2011, and since then, we have been deeply engaged in the high-pressure rubber hose industry for 15 years. For 15 years, why have we been able to thrive for 15 years as an established factory? And why can our factory achieve this? And why our quality can be exported to more than 60 countries around the world? Why can we maintain long-term, large-volume cooperation with major domestic and international customers? Relying on our factory's stable quality, stable delivery schedule, and stable after-sales service. Stable quality, stable delivery schedule, and stable after-sales service. Our factory, from its establishment to now, has never relied on low-price competition. We have never engaged in low-price competition. What we do rely on is our stable quality. and reliable delivery and after-sales service. Stable after-sales service. I believe that many business owners in procurement are aware that currently in the market, up to now, there are still many cheap high-pressure rubber hoses available, 90% of which come from small workshops in the industry. Their production capacity is not large, their output is not high, and the delivery time is unstable. They have no quality inspection, and after-sales service is even more unreliable. Handon City Sinopulse Rubber Pipe Co., Limited, up to now, has been deeply engaged in the high-pressure rubber pipe industry for 15 years. We are not a newly opened small factory, but a formal high-tech enterprise, and a provincial-level specialized and innovative small and medium-sized enterprise. We are a truly large-scale integrated industry and trade enterprise. A truly large-scale integrated industry and trade enterprise. And all of our products are all self-produced and self-sold. We don't have any middlemen, and we are not a small workshop. We are not a small workshop. We don't have any middlemen. For this high-pressure rubber hose of the same quality, our price is more realistic, and our price is more reasonable. Here, let me briefly explain to you why our products can be exported to more than 60 countries around the world, and why our quality can be remain the same for 15 years. How our quality can be so stable. And how do we maintain long-term, large-scale repeat purchases by major domestic and international clients? They can cooperate with us for a long time because our products can be exported for a long time. And why can we connect with large-scale factories domestically and internationally? Large factories. Why do these large factories specify the use of our products for the long term? Now, I will briefly explain to you the quality of our factory and how our factory controls the quality. The first step is our raw materials. Our raw materials. All the raw materials in our factory, whether it's rubber or the steel wire of the steel wire reinforcement layer or other auxiliary materials. They have all undergone layers of screening, layer by layer, and each batch of raw materials before entering the factory. We will conduct random inspections in batches. We have our own professional quality inspection team. I haven't introduced this before. Our factory has its independent R&D workshop, a production workshop, a quality inspection workshop, and a warehouse, which also have our own professional shipping area. Our factory is a large integrated industrial and trade enterprise with the whole process integration. An integrated industrial and trade factory with the whole process integration.
And many peers are looking for subcontracting.
Our factory has already implemented independent research and development and independent production. Independent research and development, independent production. We have our own professional R&D team. And our factory has our own confidential training center. We produce our own mixed rubber. All the raw materials for our mixed rubber are directly from the industry's top raw material manufacturers, and before all raw materials enter the factory, the quality inspection team of our factory will conduct a comprehensive spot check. All raw materials, only after passing the spot check, will they flow into our production workshop and be used for production. All unqualified raw materials, our factory will reject them all. This is also the most critical factor in ensuring the stability of our quality, because we are well aware that raw materials are the first hurdle in our production control. And they are also the first hurdle in our control of stable quality. Since the establishment of our factory, we have been adhering to the first hurdle. We will absolutely not cut corners. In terms of raw materials, no matter how difficult it is for us, the quality of our raw materials will never be reduced. Second, we have our own mixing workshop, the mixing workshop. All the mixed rubber is developed by ourselves, which is researched and developed by ourselves, and we have our own independent formula for the performance of this rubber and the needs of customers. We conduct one-on-one R&D ourselves, and after each batch of this mixed rubber is produced, our quality inspection team and laboratory team We'll conduct a rapid inspection as soon as possible. Rapid inspection. Only after passing the inspection will our mixed rubber be put into use.
Once there is a technical deviation in our mixed rubber,
We can also make an adjustment in the first time. Make an adjustment. In this way, the time difference of raw material instability can be greatly shortened, which also greatly shortened the time difference. This can ensure that, precisely because we are ourselves, and precisely because we can make adjustments in a timely manner. Make adjustments in a timely manner. This is the most critical key to ensuring our quality stability. We are independent research and development and production. Independent research and development and production. And our R&D team can provide you with one-on-one customization services. Provide you with one-on-one customization services. All right. So, all the live streaming owners and all the procurement owners, if you are looking for high-quality, high-pressure rubber hoses, be sure to come to the host's live room. Be sure to come to the host's live room. Can we enlarge this secondary screen?
yes.
Let's leave it at that.
This way it also shows that it looks like. All right. Welcome. Welcome to all the family members who just entered the live stream. Welcome to all the family members who just entered the live stream. The host just told you all about the most crucial key to control the quality stability. First, it is to strictly control our raw materials. Strictly control the raw materials. All of our raw materials, all of our rubber raw materials are all directly from the top raw material manufacturers in the industry. And for each batch of raw materials, we will conduct a batch sampling inspection. We will conduct a batch sampling inspection. Only the qualified, only the raw materials that pass the experiment will we put into use. Will we put into use? All unqualified raw materials. Our factory will reject them all. Our factory will reject them all. This is also our control. And it is also the most core key for our factory to control quality stability. The most core key. This is also an advantage of our factory. We have our own mixing workshop. We have our own R&D team. We can adjust in time. The mixed rubber with deviation in parameters, which also greatly reduces the situation of unstable quality. And this is also something we can control throughout the whole process. This is also an advantage of our factory. One advantage. This is the first point. The second point. Our factory is the most critical factor in ensuring stable quality. The most critical factor. It is our high-precision production equipment. The high-precision production equipment of our factory. Previously, all the bosses who do purchasing may not be very familiar with production equipment. Here, I will give you a brief introduction. The higher the precision of the production equipment, the more stable our quality will be. Our quality will be more stable. For example, for our high-pressure rubber hose, its production process. The first step is the inner rubber coating process. The inner rubber coating process. The production equipment for the inner rubber coating in our factory are all directly supplied by the top equipment manufacturers in the industry. We are equipped with high-precision extrusion equipment. The high-precision extrusion equipment. Our extrusion equipment can precisely control the speed, and can accurately control the temperature, making our high-pressure rubber hose. Rubber fully integrated. Making our rubber fully integrated and evenly extruded, which can make the inner wall smoother. If the inner wall is smoother, our high-pressure rubber hose can fundamentally solve the oil and gas leakage of our equipment. The higher the accuracy of our equipment, the higher the accuracy of our factory equipment, the more stable its quality will be. the more stable its quality will be, because our production equipment can accurately control the time and precisely control the temperature, can fully melt our rubber, and evenly extrude it onto the mold, making our inner wall smoother, so that our high-pressure rubber hose can fundamentally solve the problem of oil leakage and air leakage, fundamentally solve the problem of oil and gas leakage.
This is also
the most crucial factor for our factory to ensure stable quality. The core key, because we have this high-precision production equipment. The higher the accuracy of the equipment, the more stable the quality of this high-pressure rubber hose. Moreover, we not only rely on the inspection of this equipment, but also have manual inspection. Our operators, our production employees, will conduct a spot check every half an hour. And every time a mold is changed, we will do a first piece inspection. Not only do our production personnel do self-inspection, but also our factory has our own experimental team. The experimental team and our quality inspectors will, in each process, conduct random inspections. Our factory has its own refined management. We not only have control over the operators, but also over the quality.
Our experimental team and our quality inspection team
We'll conduct batch spot checks on every high-pressure rubber hose in each production process. Batch spot checks will be carried out. Not only manual inspections are available, but also our high-precision production equipment can control in real time and accurately control the quality of our products. We just talked about our high-precision production equipment, which can accurately control the temperature and time. So that our rubber hoses can make our rubber fully integrated, extruded evenly, making our inner wall smoother, and fundamentally eliminating the phenomenon of oil leakage and air leakage. And on each of our extruders, we have equipped a high-precision outer diameter detector, such a device, which can accurately control the outer diameter of each high-pressure rubber hose. And once the outer diameter deviates, it will alarm in real time, immediately. Reaction time, so that we can promptly adjust. This relies on the control of high-precision production equipment. It makes our quality more stable. The quality is more stable. This is also based on our high-precision production equipment. This is also why our factory can achieve stable quality. It's all done.
You see? It can only record 2.
So bright.
It's really dark. It's also dark when you lower your head.
So it's the real thing.
Should we adjust the lighting here?
It'll be brighter if we move it back.
Welcome, everyone who just joined the live stream.
Welcome to all the family members who have just entered the live stream. I am currently at the source factory of high-pressure rubber hoses and hydraulic oil pipes. This is the source factory of high-pressure rubber hoses and hydraulic oil pipes. Our factory is located in the Feixiang Economic Development Zone, Hannan City, Hebei Province. Feixiang Economic Development Zone. Our factory was established in 2011. Up to now, we have been deeply engaged in the high-pressure rubber hose industry for 15 years. And our products have not only obtained long-term and large-scale repeat purchases from major domestic customers, but also the high-pressure rubber hose of our factory has been recognized by foreign customers. Now, our products have been exported to more than 60 countries around the world. Why our high pressure rubber hose? Why our quality is more stable? Why our quality can make our domestic and foreign customers purchase repeatedly and in large quantities for a long time? Relies on the scale of our factory. The scale of the factory. We all know that. All the bosses in procurement know that. The scale of the factory determines its production capacity. The scale of the factory determines its production capacity. And its production capacity determines its delivery time. The larger the scale, the more stable the delivery time. And the larger the scale, the more stable the delivery time will be. As for our factory, why can we consistently secure large volume repeat orders from major clients both domestically and internationally over the long term and gain their recognition? Our reputation is earned through our work. Our reputation is built through our actions. This is why we have been able to achieve this 15-year journey and maintain long-term, large-scale repeat purchases from major customers. Reliable, stable quality, on-time delivery, and reliable after-sales service. And stable after-sales service. How does the factory control the stable quality of its products? Why is that so? How is the quality controlled to be more stable? As we just mentioned, the first is to strictly control our raw materials. Strictly control our raw materials. All raw material suppliers. For all raw material suppliers, we have
gone through layers of screening.
And each batch of raw materials enters our factory. When they arrive at our factory, we will conduct a batch sampling inspection for each batch of raw materials. Each batch of raw materials will be subject to a batch sampling inspection. All unqualified raw materials. We all reject them. All unqualified raw materials. We all reject them. Well, this also ensures that we, in the area of raw materials, the quality of raw materials will never decline. We will definitely not cut corners or reduce materials in terms of raw materials, because we are well aware that the raw materials of the equipment and the product's raw materials are what control the stability of the quality. First, we can produce. First, we are deeply aware of this. So we will never cut corners. This is our strict control over raw materials. This is also our core bottom line. It's our core bottom line. It's also the most crucial factor in maintaining stable quality. First, we must strictly control our raw materials. Second, we need high-precision production equipment. As I mentioned earlier, in our first process, the inner and outer rubber, the inner rubber coating process. Our inner rubber coating process uses high-precision and high-precision auxiliary equipment directly provided by our industry's top equipment manufacturers. Extrusion equipment. This high-precision extrusion equipment is equipped with a high-precision computer, which can accurately control the speed and precisely control the time, control the temperature, allowing our rubber to fully integrate, and enabling our high-pressure rubber hose to be extruded evenly, making the inner wall smoother, which can fundamentally ensure its sealing. And the sealing performance is better. Only in this way can the problem of oil leakage and air leakage be solved fundamentally. The phenomenon of oil leakage and air leakage. Nowadays, some small workshops on the market have production equipment that relies on manual work entirely. The temperature of its unit equipment is controlled manually. If the temperature is not adjusted properly, the rubber will not be fully integrated, which will lead to poor integration, and its sealing performance will be poor. If the sealing performance is poor, during use, oil and gas leakage will occur. This is also the main manufacturer, where we differ from those small workshops. This is also the gap between their small workshops and our factory. This is controlled by a high-precision production equipment. Production equipment is controlling.
Connected.
Yes.
Can you see the words on your screen? Put it over there. Are you still recording?
Yes. Like this. Look at your screen. It's gone black.
How would I know who's coming and who's not?
I can't see it. How many people are in this live stream? Only the chat history.
In that case.
Okay.
Moving it here won't make it look too big.
Is anyone else here?
There's a 1.
Right.
It's over there.
It will be displayed there.
Where?
It's at 2,994 now. Is it for this live stream?
Likes.
This morning, someone came for an interview. Do you know what it's called? Welcome to all the family members who have just entered the live stream. His name is Tao Yiheng. His surname is Dao. His name is Dao Yihang. Welcome to all the family members who have just entered the live stream. The host is currently located at a high-pressure rubber hose, which is the source factory of our hydraulic oil pipes. The source factory of high-pressure rubber hoses and hydraulic oil pipes. If you are also looking for high-quality, high-pressure rubber hoses, be sure to come to the host's live stream and stay for a while. Be sure to stay in the host's live room for a while. The host will show you around and give you an in-depth understanding of our factory and see how our factory has been able to maintain its operations for 15 years and how our brand enables our products to be exported to more than 60 countries around the world and see the strength of our factory. Let's see how our quality is controlled. The reason why our factory can maintain long-term and large-scale repeat purchases from major domestic and international clients is due to our stable quality, reliable delivery time, and consistent after-sales service. Stable quality, stable delivery time, and stable after-sales service. Our factory...
What's wrong?
It's already been playing for 35 minutes, right? About the products of our factory. Up to now, they have been exported to more than 60 countries around the world, more than 60 countries in total.
Why can our products attract both domestic and international big customers to place long-term and large repeat orders?
It is because of our stable quality, stable delivery schedule, and stable after-sales service. Stable quality, stable delivery schedule, and stable after-sales service. Up to now, our factory covers an area of over 100 mu. Over 100 mu. Total construction area is over, and we have a fully automated storage workshop. A fully automated storage workshop. And our factory also has its own independent shipping area. Our factory is a large integrated industrial and trade enterprise with a whole process integration. A large integrated industrial and trade enterprise with a whole process integration. We don't have any middlemen. For high-pressure rubber hoses of the same quality, our factory's prices are more affordable. Our factory's prices are more affordable. Oh, all the bosses in charge of purchasing. All the bosses in charge of purchasing. If you are also looking for high-quality, high-pressure rubber hoses, or if you are also looking for a manufacturer with reliable quality, stable delivery, and reliable after-sales service, and want to visit our factory for an inspection, you can contact the host. If you have any questions, you can type them on the public screen. Type them on the public screen. Welcome, everyone who just entered the live stream. Welcome, everyone who just joined the live stream. I am currently at our source factory of high-pressure rubber hoses and hydraulic oil pipes. We are a source factory of high-pressure rubber hoses and hydraulic oil pipes. Just now, I mentioned that the core key to our factory's quality control is that we just talked about our inner rubber coating, the high-precision production equipment for inner rubber coating, which can ensure the stability of our quality, because our factory deeply understands that the higher the accuracy of the equipment, the more stable the quality of our high-pressure rubber hose. The higher the accuracy of the equipment, the more stable the quality will be. This is also what our company has been insisting on. Since its establishment, the core idea, one is raw materials. We never cut corners on raw materials. The other is our production equipment. Our production equipment has always been directly supplied by industry-leading equipment manufacturers. Directly from the equipment manufacturer, we have our equipment. Always used high-precision production equipment, such as the steel wire weaving and steel wire winding equipment. The steel wire winding and steel wire weaving equipment in our factory shipped directly from the manufacturer.
And also,
Our equipment.
Can precisely control the speed. Can precisely control the speed. Can control the whole process. Can control the whole process. The angle of steel wire wrapping of our equipment. And the adjustment, including the sparseness and pressing of wires. It can accurately control all of these. Many bosses who do procurement should know that this steel wire, the reinforcement layer of the steel wire, the reinforcement layer of the steel wire, its tension adjustment, in the case of uneven density of steel wires, then this high-pressure rubber hose will, during use, exhibit the phenomenon of not being pressure resistant or pressure bearing, or it will also experience a pipe burst. Our factory's products, our factory's high-pressure rubber hose, its production equipment, high precision production equipment. It can accurately control the speed.
On our high precision production equipment.
Equipped with a high precision load cell, this computer can accurately control the speed. Accurately control the winding angle of each steel wire and the adjustment of its tension, including its sparseness. The sparseness of each steel wire, including the phenomenon of wire pressing and dropping. It can accurately control all of these. It can accurately avoid the situation of steel wire pressing and breaking. Precisely because bosses in procurement all know that. If the arrangement of steel wire is uneven, it will frequently lead to tube burst, as well as insufficient pressure, oil leakage, and gas leakage. Oil and gas leakage happens to every high-pressure rubber hose, whose pressure-bearing capacity depends on the steel wire reinforcement layer, and the steel wire reinforcement layer of our high-precision production equipment
can precisely control the steel wire winding angle and tension adjustment.
Can accurately control the steel wire pressing, landing, and breaking, including the phenomenon of sparse and uneven. Can accurately I believe many business owners may not have heard of Sinopulse yet. Our factory is located in the Fixiong economic. Many business owners who do procurement know that. The high-pressure rubber hoses in Jing County, Hengshui, including manufacturers in Jiangsu, Zhejiang, and Nanjing. Many people don't know that in Handan, Hebei, a city with 3,000 years of history, there is also a source factory for high-pressure rubber hoses and hydraulic oil pipes. Our factory was established in 2011, founded in 2011, up to now. Our factory's products has been deeply cultivated for 15 years. Our factory has an independent R&D workshop, production workshop, quality inspection workshop, warehouse workshop, including our own independent shipping area. Our factory is a large-scale integrated industry and trade enterprise for high-pressure rubber hoses of the same quality. Our price is more reasonable because we don't have any middlemen. Since we don't have any middlemen, all of our high-pressure rubber hoses are self-produced and self-sold. All the bosses in charge of purchasing If you are also looking for high quality, reliable, with stable delivery time and after sales service, high quality original manufacturer, be sure to come to the host's live room and stay for a while. Today, I will give you an in-depth understanding of our factory throughout the process. Let's delve into understanding our factory to see the quality of. Let's take a look at our hydro rubber hoses. How can a 15-year-old factory make our major clients both at home and abroad? Make all the bosses. If you have any questions, no matter what the problem is, you can type them on the public screen. Type them on the public screen. The host will answer them one by one. The host will answer everyone's questions one by one. About our factory. The total area has reached more than 10,000 square meters. It covers more than 100 mu. Our total construction workshop has reached more than 100,000 square meters. Our factory, the first phase old workshop, covers an area of more than 10,000 square meters. Our first phase old workshop covers an area of more than 10,000 square meters. The production equipment in our first phase old workshop has been upgraded and iterated, updated and iterated. All our old equipment have been completely phased out. It was in 2024. That all had been updated and iterated. Currently, the production equipment in our first phase old workshop also comes from the equipment manufacturer, directly from.
Are there 2 or 3 clients?
2.
Yeah.
Right. 2. Yes.
Oh.
2.
2.
Welcome everyone who has just joined the live stream. Welcome everyone who has just joined the live stream. If you are looking for high quality, high pressure rubber hoses or hydraulic oil pipes, be sure to come to the host's live stream. Be sure to come to the host's live stream. Let's continue talking about the strength of our factory and the stability of our quality. Let's see how our factory controls the quality. How do we control it? We just mentioned the control of raw materials and the process of inner and outer. Our high precision equipment. Our high precision equipment. We have also mentioned the steel wire reinforcement layer, the importance of the steel wire reinforcement layer for each high pressure rubber hose, whether it can withstand pressure evenly, and high pressure depends on our steel. For the steel wire reinforcement layer, only if each steel wire has the same winding angle and winding direction and tension adjustment are stable. Can the load-bearing capacity of each steel wire be the same? If the tension is not adjusted evenly, the steel wire winding will become sparse and uneven. Then, during the service life of the high-pressure rubber hose, it will not be pressure resistant. And our company, Sinopulse,
All the steel wire weaving and steel wire winding equipment we use
can accurately control the speed. Equipped with a high-precision computer, which can accurately control the speed. Uniformly adjust the tension of the steel wire and adjust the sparsity and density, all of which can be precisely controlled. This high-pressure rubber hose can stably maintain pressure stability for a long time, achieving high-quality mass production. All of this relies on our high-quality and high-precision production equipment.
Yes.
Next is the phenomenon of outer wrapping. Our outer wrapping phenomenon, the production equipment for our outer wrapping, uses the same type of extruder as our inner wrapping production equipment. The same and each of our high precision production equipment can accurately in the time It can accurately control the temperature of the high-pressure rubber hose, the adjustment of temperature and time in the production process, and the adjustment of speed. Its high-precision equipment can fully melt our rubber, tightly wrap it on our steel wire layer so that our rubber and steel wire can be fully combined to make its adhesion higher. It fundamentally solves the problem of delamination. Fundamentally, it can solve the phenomenon of delamination so as to avoid its anti-aging property. Oil resistance and corrosion resistance. Oil resistant in regards to its wear resistance and corrosion resistance. Its performance is greatly enhanced. What's more, each of our extruders is equipped with a high-precision diameter measuring instrument. Which can accurately measure the outer diameter of each high-pressure rubber hose during production. The measurement of the outer diameter. Once there is a dimensional deviation, our high-precision diameter measuring instrument can accurately alarm, and the alarm will appear immediately, thus fundamentally solving the problem of unstable quality. It allows the operators to adjust in time, to adjust promptly. This is also our factory's control over high quality, the most core point of high quality control.
Everyone.
Everyone who is still lingering outside the live room.
Everyone who is still lingering outside the live room. If you are also looking for high quality, high pressure rubber hoses, or hoses with a stable glue application period, and stable quality, and stable after-sales service from a original manufacturer, be sure to come to the host's live room. And today, the host is going to take our factory. Is not a newly opened small factory. It's a legitimate high-tech. Moreover, at the same time, our factory has been recognized as a specialized and innovative SME in Hubei province. Our factory has our own independent R&D workshop and production workshop, quality inspection workshop.
In a little while.
No, 3 people. They want 6 people in total. Welcome to all the family members who just entered the live stream. Welcome to all the family members who just joined us. I am currently at a source factory of high-pressure rubber hoses and hydraulic oil pipes located in the Feixiang Economic Development Zone.
You answer it.
You before.
I was waiting for the unloading of.
Got it.
We need more people for labor. You need more.
One more.
Welcome, everyone who just joined the live stream. I am now at our hydraulic oil pipe production site. High-pressure rubber hoses and hydraulic hoses. This is a source factory. If you are also looking for high-quality, high-pressure rubber hoses and practical explanation to give you all an in-depth understanding. You'll learn about the scale of our factory, the quality of our products. Take a look at the equipment used in our production process. See how we control the quality. And see how we have developed a 15-year-old factory. You'll also see how we export our products to over 60 countries worldwide, and how we expand our business to over 60 countries.
Kung Fu.
Today,
Let's get some floor mats.
right. Today, I will provide you with a one-on-one explanation in today's live stream to give you an in-depth understanding of our factory. If you have any questions about our factory, or if you want to learn about our factory, and come to visit our site for on-site observation, you are more than welcome. You can contact the host.
TikTok.
Today. In today's live stream, we have 20 minutes left. Before we sign off, before we end the live, we are about to end this live. It's time to say goodbye. Go get a cover.
Not necessary.
I need 2 covers.
Can't wipe it yet?
No.
I forgot to use the spray. You have to keep spraying it.
Spray some of this water pipe mist.
Okay?
It doesn't work.
You can't pour it out either.
Sitting here won't work. Just now.
The wire here.
For all the family members who are still lingering outside the live stream.
For all the family members who are still lingering outside the live stream, if you are also looking for high-quality, high-pressure rubber hoses and hydraulic oil pipes, be sure to join the host's live stream. Be sure to join the host's live stream, and the host will be with you all the way today to give you an in-depth understanding of our factory. Or if you are interested in this high-pressure rubber hose and have any questions, you can contact the host, and you can contact the host with any questions. Yes,
Our factory.
not only produces this great wall brand high-pressure rubber hoses, our factory also has this joint accessory supporting factory. We also have our own joint accessory supporting factory. So our factory is a one-stop hydraulic factory. A one-stop hydraulic factory. Well, by coming here, it can greatly solve the procurement problems and greatly save the time and energy of the procurement bosses, as well as time and cost. All these special shaped joints and special shaped accessories, our factory adopts one-stop procurement. All are one-stop procurement.
Where is it?
All the bosses who do procurement. All the bosses procurement, whether you are doing construction machinery or agricultural machinery accessories, as long as you have a need.
Yes.
It's still the same old story.
I don't have anything particular to do.
You see, I've lost weight. You've lost weight yourself. How much do you weigh?
A little over 110, Jen? How much over 110?
That's it.
I'm also under 160, Jen.
You're under 160, Jen. I haven't gone below that yet.
I'm still the same.
I haven't gained weight. It's fine.
Everyone, all the family members lingering outside the live stream. All the family members who are still lingering outside the live stream. Throughout today's live broadcast, we aim to provide you with an in-depth understanding of our factory and take a closer look inside. Here, let me briefly provide some basic information about our factory, which is located in the Feixiang Economic Development Zone, Handan City, Hebei Province. Feixiang Economic Development Zone. Our factory was established in 2011 and has been deeply engaged in the high-pressure rubber hose industry for 15 years. We have been deeply involved in this industry for 15 years. To all the colleagues in procurement, dear friends, if you are also all the procurement colleagues, if you are looking for high-quality, high-pressure rubber hoses, be sure to come to the host's live stream and stay for a while. Make sure to stop by the host's live stream.
Our entire live broadcast today
is to take everyone on an in-depth look at our factory and gain a deeper understanding of it. Let's take a look at the strength of our factory and its scale. Then let's take a look at the quality of our factory and see how our factory has been able to maintain its operations for 15 years, how it has been able to sustain itself for 15 years. Our factory is located in the Feixiang Economic Development Zone, Handan City, Hebei Province. Feixiang Economic Development Zone, covering a total area of over 100 mu, which is over 100 mu. Our total construction area is over 100,000 square meters. Over 100,000 square meters. Our factory has an independent R&D workshop, production workshop, quality inspection workshop, warehouse workshop, and we also have our own independent shipping area, making our factory a large integrated industrial and trading enterprise with a whole process system. All products are manufactured and sold by our factory itself. We don't have any middlemen. No middlemen at all. For high-pressure rubber hoses of the same quality, our price is more reasonable. Much more reasonable. Up to now. While many peers are still looking for OEM partners. Hendon City Sinopulse Rubber Co. Limited has already achieved independent R&D and independent production. Independent R&D and independent production. Our factory has our own mixed rubber production workshop. All the mixed rubber is developed and produced by ourselves. Developed and produced by ourselves. So, for all the bosses who are doing procurement, if you are looking for high-quality, high-pressure rubber hoses, you must thoroughly investigate the scale of the factory and its product quality. How is the quality controlled? Most importantly, you must check the factory where the high-pressure rubber hose is produced and what kind of production equipment it has. Because we are engaged in the production of rubber hoses. Manufacturers who make rubber hoses all know that the higher the precision of the equipment, the more stable the quality will be. The higher the precision of the equipment, the more stable the quality will be. Our factory. All the production equipment is directly provided by the top equipment manufacturers in the industry, and each high-precision production equipment is equipped with a high-precision computer. It can accurately control the parameters of each high-pressure rubber hose during the production process, and it can precisely manage them all from the source at the root. It solves the properties of pressure resistance, oil resistance, corrosion resistance, and aging resistance. These properties have been greatly improved, making the service life of our high-pressure rubber hose longer service life and more durability. It can be used for a longer period of time. The performance is more stable. All the bosses who do the purchasing. The bosses who do the purchasing. If you are also looking for high-quality, high-pressure rubber hoses, be sure to come to the host's live stream. Come to the host's live stream. Take your time and do your best. Is it effective? It can't be done anyway.
There are 5 or 6 now.
Why?
When it's my turn, they don't want it. I don't know. Do they think it's too expensive? They're all small orders, and one person only wants one pipe. So I asked them to get it for me again. I don't know. They're all small orders. Any more will also be small orders. There are no large orders. Welcome to all the family members who just entered the live stream. Welcome to all the family members who just joined us.
Can you see if my face is red?
My face hurts. Who got injured?
I don't know.
Did you rub it raw?
Yes.
Did you get sunburned?
I didn't realize I got sunburned.
My face has been hurting since I woke up earlier.
How could it hurt?
Here.
Or somewhere else.
It hurts.
On exposure.
I feel the sun over there today.
Once I'm exposed to it,
It hurts even more.
Is it here?
Everyone.
for all of you who are still watching from outside the live room.
In today's live stream, we have 10 minutes left before signing off, and the host will be off air in 10 minutes.
Why is there nobody again?
Why did you stop the meeting again? Today, this live stream is designed to give everyone an in-depth look at our factory, to provide a deeper understanding of our factory. Our live stream today will be ending in 10 minutes. So if you have any questions, you can contact the host. You can contact the host.
Someone sent that gift.
I sent it.
What should I do?
I send a fan badge every day. Sending one every day.
What should I do?
What should I do?
You can ask them for some advice.
In their live stream?
It's always like this.
It all depends on the money.
Just rely on Kuan Yu.
Don't recruit people nearby.
It's all about the money.
Otherwise, you can just run ads. But we didn't spend any money.
There's nothing left to say.
It's all mine.
We don't target people nearby. We just rely on the official to promote us. To promote to targeted customers. This way.
Or you could just spend 100 yuan to give it a try.
No. Spending 100 yuan to promote that traffic.
They'll just stay inside your account.
For 30 minutes or a few more minutes and then leave.
That person is useless.
Anyway, it's about nurturing the account.
Mainly during this period of time.
I've already been nurturing the account.
He doesn't shoot short videos.
And you don't shoot them when you're away either.
Right away.
Oh, anytime.
Anytime.
Do you want those walnuts?
They fall off as soon as you sit down.
What? Oh, I don't know why it got expensive all of a sudden. I don't know how it became so expensive.
If you're in a hurry to buy,
By the time I get back, it'll be 6.
Everything will be chaotic if you rush.
In the morning,
The salary is paid beforehand. Not based on the salary.
This and that. Reimbursement. Hey, you know those 2 people?
I kept them for you, but they were expensive.
yeah, that deal wasn't good and was still expensive.
Didn't I send the card over?
Send the card over, but the card number can't be.
You said it's not correct. I said you should just send it to him on WeChat. I'll send it to him.
You moved it for him, so you can't see the time.
Move that over to him.
Why?
You didn't move this one back either. You can see the time. Just come over when it's time. There are 4 minutes left.
Where? There are only the last 10 minutes left.
There are only the last 10 minutes left. And we're about to end the live stream.
There's still time.
Everyone is asking him about that person. Is that a floral gift or something else?
Tell me about it.
You go first.
Look at my face.
only my neck is fair.
He's had work done.
Thanks.
60,000 RMB.
100. You dare say 100.
I had a facial mask treatment.
Do you think 100 is expensive or cheap?
Cheap. Last time I treated the acne marks on my face. Just by applying a facial mask. It cost me over 100 RMB.
Look, you don't have any acne on your face.
Come on. I just applied it. These are all good ones.
I went to that Wei Zhao's place.
Applied that medicine.
Yeah.
Is it getting better slowly?
What?
Didn't you also use some skincare products?
I bought products that cost over 1,000 yuan.
For 5 or 6 years.
How did you spend 100 yuan? We'll talk about that later.
Yeah.
Oh. What products are these? They are so expensive.
One bottle costs about 200 yuan.
Why didn't you use it before?
Why didn't you use the ones you got previously? I think it's good.
Originally, at the first store. We went there every day. So how come there were no queues? Later, I got another set over at Showman.
Not at Xiaojai. It's just that I wanted to get my facial done again. But Xiao Tao happened to be hospitalized. So I couldn't get my facial done. I wanted to tell her.
She's been hospitalized since she left.
She wanted to get her facial done.
So she found a third store.
She went there.
I can't stand it either. Doing it this way.
They all have it.
Everyone's still in the live stream. And watching? Everyone's still watching the live stream. Where the host is right now is our high-pressure rubber hydraulic oil pipe area. This is the source factory of high-pressure rubber pipes. The source factory of high-pressure rubber hoses and hydraulic oil pipes. In today's live broadcast, which will end in 10 minutes. Today's live stream will also end in 10 minutes. If you have any needs, whether you are working on engineering machinery or you are the owners of agricultural machinery parts, as long as you have a need, you can contact the host. You can contact the host. Our factory covers a total area of more than 100 mu, and our total construction workshop area reaches more than 100,000 square meters. Our factory not only undertakes this conventional brand of high-pressure rubber hose, but also all our special-shaped rubber hoses and non-standard customizations. We can all undertake non-standard customizations. Our special-shaped rubber hoses and special-shaped joints can all achieve one-stop procurement. One-stop procurement is achievable. It greatly saves the time and cost of our purchasing managers. Time and cost, because our factory has implemented independent research and development and independent production. Independent research and development and independent production. Up to now, many peers are still looking for OEM processing. Our factory has already implemented independent research and development and independent production. All of our raw materials, all of this mixed rubber, are all independently developed and produced by ourselves, which is the core key to ensuring our quality. We can promptly control our raw materials, the coefficient of our core mixed rubber, and these parameters, we can promptly adjust them.
This is also the core key to ensuring stable quality. The most crucial point. We have our own independent formula. We have our own independent formula. All this rubber. We can all make adjustments independently. According to the temperature and the environment. We make adjustments in real time. This is also the gap between us and small enterprises and small workshops. This is also the gap between these small workshops and our core big factory.
All the bosses who do procurement. If you are also looking for high quality, reliable quality, and reliable delivery time,
and stable after-sales source manufacturer, be sure to come to the host's live stream. Our entire live broadcast today is about to end. Let me briefly explain. Our factory has been able to operate for 15 years. Which is why major domestic and foreign customers have been able to make long-term and large-scale repeat purchases. Relies on our stable quality, stable delivery time, and stable after-sales service. I believe that major customers, both domestic and foreign, value our quality, after-sales service, delivery time, and quality. All in all the bosses in procurement. If you are also looking for a high-quality source factory of high-pressure rubber hoses, be sure to come to the host's live stream. In today's whole live broadcast. There are only 5 minutes left before the end of the live broadcast. If you have a need, if you are worried about not being able to find a suitable source manufacturer for high-pressure rubber hoses, our live broadcast today, you must pay attention to it. You can type all your requirements on the public screen, and you can also leave a message for the host. Our entire live broadcast today. There are only the last 5 minutes left before we end the broadcast. Our factory is a one-stop hydraulic factory. The high-pressure rubber hose of our factory can adapt to all your working condition requirements. All of them, up to now. We have implemented independent research and development and independent production. The products of our factory can adapt to your high-temperature environment of 150 degrees above zero. It can even adapt to minus 50 degrees. This low-temperature environment of minus 50 degrees in extremely cold environments.
Okay.
Our high-pressure rubber hose can adapt to the working conditions of 150 degrees above zero. And our high-pressure rubber hose will not age. It won't age and harden. It won't age and crack. Under the condition of minus 40 degrees, our product won't harden or crack and peel. This is also the result of our independent research and development. This is also the achievement of our R&D team. We have our own proprietary formula. We can accurately adjust it according to the temperature and working conditions. To make adjustment, we can adapt to all your requirements, whether it is a high working condition or an extremely narrow working condition. We can all achieve one customization. Our factory can achieve one-on-one customization.
So
Here, all the family members who are engaged in procurement. If you are also looking for this high-quality, high-pressure rubber hose, be sure to contact the host. Or leave a message to the host. In the last few minutes, the host will briefly report to everyone the information of our factory. Our factory was established in 2011. Our factory is located in Handan City, Hebei Province. Fisang Economic and Technological Development Zone. Our total land area is more than 100 mu. And our total construction workshop area has reached more than 100,000 square meters. Our factory is advantageously located, right next to the main highway. And in 2025, the newly opened Weifang County West Expressway exit is only 1 kilometer away from our factory. Just 1 kilometer. Our factory's national logistics delivery has super accurate delivery times. So here, all our purchasing colleagues, if you are also looking for high-quality, high-pressure rubber hoses, be sure to contact the host. Up to now, our factory's daily output has reached more than 80,000, reaching 80,000. All large orders, urgent orders, and custom orders
can be fully undertaken by us. All customers who have cooperated with our factory should know that. Our factory never delays large orders and never slights small orders. For all large custom orders, we can undertake them all. Our delivery time is super fast, and it is super reliable.
The delivery time is super reliable.
All, both domestic and foreign major clients, value our quality
and strict quality control. What they value is our stable quality and reliable delivery and after-sales service. So,
here I would like to advise all the purchasing managers, if you are looking for high quality, high pressure rubber hoses and hydraulic oil pipes, be sure to contact me. If when you are purchasing, you must understand the factory of the high pressure rubber hose you purchase in depth. Verify its quality, check its quality, and check after-sales service of this product. Understand its after-sales service, and check the scale of its factory, production equipment, and its manufacturing equipment. So, all the bosses in charge of purchasing, all the bosses here for purchasing. If you are looking for high-quality, high-pressure rubber hoses, this live stream, you must follow us. Make sure to hit that follow button. Today, throughout the live stream, we're coming to the end soon, really approaching the end. Our factory not only produces regular brand rubber hoses, high-pressure rubber hoses, special-shaped rubber hoses, special-shaped joints. We can achieve one-stop procurement. All can be achieved through one-stop procurement.
Thank you all for staying.
Thank you all for staying.
For today's live broadcast.
It is coming to an end soon.
Okay, it's fine.
You just took it again.
I didn't take it.
17:58. It's already 45.
We can do it now.
Yes.
Where is it 45 now?
Today's live broadcast is coming to an end. Today's live stream is finished. Everyone, all the family members who are in procurement, if you are still looking and are trying to find high-quality, high-pressure rubber hoses from a reliable source factory with stable quality, delivery time, and after-sales service, please pay attention to this live stream of the host. Please pay attention to it. And if you have any questions, you can also leave a message for the host. Today's live stream is over here. See you at the same time tomorrow. Goodbye. See you at the same time tomorrow.
Are you searching?
He will follow you after you tell him.
So why?
请按110. Searched.